Okay, capital gains. You've probably heard the term before, and it's when someone sells a house and makes a profit. But here's the thing. If the home you're selling is your primary residence, capital gains can actually work in your favor. So I'm going to take a quick second. I'm going to break it down. I think there's a lot of confusion about this. Now, keep in mind, there's several dynamics when it comes to capital gains. I'm not touching on the investment. If you're a flipper, so don't send nasty comments or whatever putting in there. Like, it doesn't work like this. I'm only talking about capital gains as it relates to your primary residence. I'll do another one later on the investment portion of it. But if you have lived in a home for 2 years out of the last 5 years, the IRS allows what's called a capital gains exclusion. Okay, so what does this mean? That means that you can keep up to $250,000 of the profits if you're single. Now, if you're married and you file jointly, you can keep up to $500,000 of the profits and not pay taxes on that. So let me give you an example. Say you buy a house for $300,000. You live in it for 2 years. You fix it up. Obviously, a lot of fixing up because I'm going to use the number 750. So now you have $450,000 pretty much in profits, what they call the gains. If you qualify because you've lived there 2 years, you're married, you're filing jointly, that $450,000 is going to be tax-free. So here's a little strategy. If you are in a situation to where you don't mind moving every couple years, you could actually take this and make it a big opportunity. You can buy a home that needs a little bit of work, like improving it, then potentially keeping a big chunk of that profit tax-free. It's one of the biggest financial advantages of owning your own home that a lot of people don't realize because they don't study about this part of real estate. So this is a way that you can continue to build long-term wealth. And if you're thinking about selling or curious how all this works, please reach out to me. I'm Amanda Benz. I'm a broker at Strickland Realty. I am not a tax professional, but I do have a lot of resources, and this is a part that I enjoy, I have a passion about. So if there's anything I can do to help, like, comment, share, whatever. But yeah, so I hope this helped and it broke it down a little for you. Again, there's a lot of dynamics on this. I touched on a very small portion, but I still hope it broke it down a little bit and made it helpful. There's also tax advantages if you're not in there 2 years, but over a year. Again, I won't touch on all that today, but I hope this was helpful. Have a wonderful day.